Hi everyone, welcome back to my second tutorial for Wishes crochet earrings. So I have here yarn needle and plier, scissor or cutter, and 2.5 millimeter hook. And the yarn I will use is the Monaco ball. Yeah. This is 3-ply, and all colors I will make one set of earrings, and for this tutorial I will use this red color. So first, let's start our project. So this is the Wishes crochet earrings design number 2. Oh, I'm sorry, design number. So this is my design number 3. Yeah. So let's start our earrings. Slip knot and chain 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Slip a stitch to the first chain and chain 2. Yarn over and insert hook to the first chain, pull up a loop, pull up 2 loop, pull up 2 loop, double crochet, make another one same chain. So we have 2 double crochet together to the first chain and yarn over, insert hook to the next chain, pull up 2 loops and pull up 2 loops, make another one to the same chain, so in every chain make 2 double crochet together. This is total of 14 set of 2 double crochet together. So we have 1 set, 2 3 4 5 6 set. This is 7, and this is 8 set, and 9 set, and 10 set, then 11 set, then 12 set, 13 set, 1 2, and then the last 14th set, 1 2, slip a stitch to the first double crochet, slip a stitch and chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, slip a stitch to the same stitch here, and you will have a half circle here, or a full, yeah, and then chain 1, turn your work, and insert hook to the ring, make single crochet, repeat. So make 8 single crochet in a ring. We have 2 single crochet, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch, insert hook to the chain, to this chain where you use slip stitch, chain 1, and cut your yarn. So here we have this design, and we need to cut this yarn, the long tail and this tail. We will use this needle, and hide this long tail inside. Cut. So we have this, we are done, and we will make same we'll make another one. So you will need to make another one like this. So we have one set of earrings. So we're done, and then I will make another sets in different colors in this design. So I have here jump rings 4 millimeter, 4 mm jump rings, and the hook silver.